Wrong way? Huh?
We're putting way too much effort into this.
Listen, it could be this or Latin American studies.
So there are 3 Kellogg's barbecue chips. There's a garden salsa stock.
They rejected the quarter, alright.
Okay, we're going to try to buy the garden salad or salsa behind it, and then hope to knock down the barbecues.
One.
Oh!
Oh no!
We got the value
Gabriel,
back, though.
Gabriel,
We got the value back.
don't worry.
We got the value
This is
of
like
it.
the coin pushing game or whatever, man.
What, like we're at an arcade now?
Yeah.
Okay, what do we do?
I'll take an absence from class for this.
You still got that one bag of
Okay,
chips.
wait,
so.
but that's not the key.
Could we try the jalapeno poppers and see if the spiral will affect this spiral and
Does anyone have a
knock
quarter?
them all down? I don't have a quarter.
He has
Alright.
another.
You in? Okay.
Man, this is your guys' jackpot.
It's not about the food, it's about the achievement.
Of course.
Would you like it this time? 3 or 9?
Sure.
Alright.
It says make another selection.
Oh, we're not even getting
Oh,
that.
because
Did we
one
try
of the
sun chips
springs is
again? Did
broken.
we try sun chips again?
Do we?
No, it will definitely.
Honestly, is it a worthy prize? A bunch of sun chips?
I love sun chips.
What if
Okay,
you press
then it
the
is
one
for
in the
you.
back, 311.
311.
You want to go for 311. That's
Pushes him out.
That's
a good-
ballsy.
That's a consideration. I hadn't even-
You could go for
It's
it.
your money. You guys can do
Alright.
whatever you want. You want to do that?
Go for it.
Oh.
Whoa!
Push one.
Hold on.
You got one.
This is a good position.
Wait, no. The next one should do it, I'm saying. Like, I feel like a gambler at Vegas, but the next one should do
This
it.
seems like a lot of sunken money for something that can be solved by shaking.
But this is.
Turns out, no, I actually found a lot more dollars than I thought I had, but...
This funny shit.
All right, so we're gonna go with the same tactic. 311 again.
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh, now it's just pushing.
He hasn't folded up. That's a real...
Okay, we're back.
I won't fold this. I don't care about this heart.
All right, we're going for
Oh,
311
listen,
again.
listen.
We're going to go for more pretzels.
That is love right there. That's food is love. Not money. It's about to happen. You're about to witness history.
Misha,
Alright, wait.
did you see this before?
Make this.
Okay, good.
Make this.
Which one is it? 311?
311.
Not really. We're still back to 3 being stuck. Ooh.
It's not coming.
Oh!
Whoa! Oh my
pushing out.
God!
It's just pushing out.
It's not.
Oh!
It's registering as not vending because nothing's falling. So it's just gonna keep
another
going.
one.
We have another selection.
Oh my God! Just do it again.
No, I
This
think
is
I
crazy.
think I'll say make another selection again.
Okay, then go for the one above it.
No, the one above it will just fall on top.
No, but the one above it won't fall either, and it'll register it as a non-vend, and it'll keep going, and then we can do the salsa one as well.
211?
Do it. 211. Yeah.
Fuck it. It's money, right?
Just fuck it. It's money.
Whoa.
Did it not work? Okay. Okay.
111.
111.
111 then.
Although that one might fall to the side.
It might. We'll have to try. Either way,
Come
going
on.
test is decent.
Oh,
Wait,
it's
here we
working. Now what?
An easy push would definitely do it, though.
Now what?
another
We're out of choices.
I'm out of selection.
What happens if you do 309?
Which one?
Where?
309?
309.
Remember, we tried it. They said
Get the fruits
And
now.
we're back again. Okay. We're all in. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Should I
6,
pick my
7,
fruit
8,
snacks
9
now?
things in there.
I'm gonna pick the fruits.
You're gonna go with the fruit snacks?
Yeah.
So we're done?
because you just upped this jackpot to be.
Oh, it worked. Okay. Now what? Do we just shake it?
There's more food in there.
I say we unplug it and shake it so that we don't break anything.
Just shake it at this point.
Does this one not work?
This one works, but
Oh, this one's the
Yeah,
one.
this
Can you
one's
see
the
from
bad.
over there? Yeah.
Because it didn't register that we got it, it just kept pushing out.
Oh yeah, that's so funny.
Right? So should we do a group effort and shake it? Because
let's shake it.
because Gabe has class, he's late too, and you two have a midterm.
Shh, this is more important.
that is true.
All right.
Alright, someone
Let's shake it. Sure. Go for it.
Why? I don't feel
You're
strong.
the
I'll support. Listen, like,
Okay,
do
you
see
film.
these arms.
You want to film? Okay. Good.
I'm still like I'm gonna
filming
end up.
because
You know,
this needs
vending
to be
machine
on
kills more
video.
people than sharks do.
Yeah, that's true.
True, but
We're gonna become part of a statistic today.
Wait, get out of the way.
Oh, get out of it. I'm
I'm
sorry.
recording this.
It's definitely. I mean, it's
Okay,
shaking.
tell me if it's unplugged now.
It's
Okay,
unplugged.
it's unplugged.
Wait.
Alright, do you want me to support on this side?
Seriously, Dan.
Even though
I don't
Come
want
over here and help me shake this.
I feel like we need someone on this side who is not like. Now we're just shifting.
Nothing?
No. Make that $4 we spent worth it.
Okay, it's moving a little bit. To
It
this
is?
side.
Moving.
A
The
little
top
bit,
one's
yeah.
moving.
No,
Okay, I
that's
feel
not
like you're
budging.
making a lot of noise. I'm sorry, guys.
We'll share with you. We have enough.
Can you just lift the whole thing up, dude?
Yeah,
wanna help
that's what I was thinking.
It's
But
heavy, yeah.
we're not
Gabe,
strong
don't
enough.
die.
And
somebody
stand
next to me. I'm kind of scared of Gabe dying.
Oh, it's shifting. We got
There you go,
two.
there you go.
We got two. We got two more. We got all. Wait, let's go. Oh, stop. Down. You're good. You're good.
Thank you.
Oh, we can't open it. It's too damn. All right, wait.
Hello there. The vending machine broke and we've just fixed it. There was a backup of about 14 packages that we've
Oh my god.
now freed.
Sorry.
Okay, plug it back in.
Okay. We should probably shift this back to its regular position.
Yeah, of course.
Let's put the.
Back up.
Let's push them all on this table. We'll sort it out.
Oh, but the spring didn't come out. All right, good job, team.
You do it again, though.
Hilarious. We push it back now? No.
We definitely
We're
have
back on.
one of everybody.